I want to dive into my sell position that I had on Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday was right around here. Tuesday, yes, Tuesday started right around here. Right, so price action was holding up a level of support here, and we had just formed a high. But what's more interesting of these two levels is this. So if we, I had placed a fib from this high over here to this low over here. So let me go deeper. So from this high, I had my 100% fib, and from this low, I had my 0%. All right, so if we take a look at the fib direction, we know three numbers, right? 50, 38.2, and 61.8. So these are three levels of reversals, right? So price was just trading between the 23.6, and we had just made a very, very big push over here onto the 38.2. Now this was at around 7 a.m. and 7 a.m. touches. We know that next after 7 a.m. we possibly have 8:30 news and 9:30 market open, which means there are two hours of volatility, right? So price just after 7 dipped down all the way over here. Now this is 9 o'clock. 9 was right at the time where I had made my position, and to make it clear, my entry was right above, actually right below this candle low over here, right? So we see that there's a two candle formation of bearish moves, right? One, two, and so I know that from the tri candle pattern that basically three candles have basically formed the same direction. They close the same direction. So I know that this is one, this is two, and possibly the third one will go down also, right? Just like we see here, one, two, and then three, and then we actually have a fourth candle over here. If I look, yeah, I mean, this is a big example, one, two, and then three, and you have multiple examples like this, one, two, and three, and we keep going like one, two, and three, and so it goes, right? So I had one, two, and I was waiting for the third, so I had an entry over here with my stops all the way above the 23.6 and above the moving average. So the moving average is another indicator of the trend, right? If I know that we are trading below the moving average, we know that we're going bearish, right? So all this time we were rejecting from the moving average. So that's like the second confirmation that I have to take sells, right? So again, one confirmation will be the rejection from the 38.2, and from the 38.2 I basically have two levels of take profits, which is the 0% level, which is just like, let's just say where we started, right? And then my second level will be the negative 27.3, which is all the way down here. All right. Look, I did not hold until the 27.3. I am not basically a swing trader, and I'm more of an intraday and scalper kind of trader. So this was my entry over here. Stops were right above the 23.6 and the moving average. And, the first take profit will be this level of support over here on the left that if we pay close attention to, we basically had held a level of support over here until price came all the way, hold up, price came all the way over here again and tapped the same level of support and that we had broken below over here, and then rejected from that level again. And if we look at the moving average, is very interesting because we reject from the moving average a bunch of times, and all these times we're just respecting, right, trading below the moving average until we start to break above it and start to trade above the moving average, and we end up going bullish, right? So this is, a great indicator of the trend, right? So again, take profit was hit over here. First take profit from here to here, that was around 0.30%, and then the next take profit would have been this area over here on the bottom, and that's around 0.60%. And if we come down to the negative 27.3, that's 0.90% also coming down, right? So 1, 2, and then 3. 2 is because if we look left over here, we have a support, and then a lot of confluences around this area. Support held over here. We're trading basically just pushed up, and then another level of support over here. So this was second take profit, and then third take profit right over here down, right? So this was my trade for Tuesday, and I did not end up trading gold for the rest of the week, but we ended up pushing, making all this move up, and now we're just rejecting from the same level over here on the left, as you can see, right? So this is very, very interesting how the market works. And if you like this video, I'll be closing the video here. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and comment down below for more videos like this.